Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can share a Spotify playlist. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, search section, and lastly right here, you're going to find all of your playlists. If you click right here, you can also expand your library. Here in the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find your notifications, your friend activity, and right here you're going to find your profile icon. If you click right here, you're going to be able to access your account settings, your profile. You can upgrade to premium, you can start a private session, and you can also go to your settings. So right now, in order to be able to share playlists, firstly, find the playlist that you want. If it's in your library, you can expand your library. For example, I'm going to go to this playlist. Once you're here in the playlist, as you can see guys, you're going to find a list that includes all of the songs that you have in your playlist. And right here in the top, you're going to find the play button to play your playlist. Right here, you can enable shuffle for the playlist. You can download it. You can invite collaborators to rap or to the playlist. And if you click on these three dots right here, you can add it to the queue, remove from your profile. You can edit the detail, delete, make it private, invite collaborators, exclude from your taste profile. You can move to any folder that you want. You can add it to another playlist that you already have, or if you want to create a new playlist and add it to it, you can also do it. And lastly, right here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to share. And if you click on it right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find two options: copy link to playlist and also embed playlist. So go ahead and click on copy link. Then you can paste the link anywhere you want. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.